Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How have you been? It's been a while since I've been here, but a lot's been going on in the market. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. There it is, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Everything here is real. Nothing is clickbait. I am a trader myself, and I will share with you my portfolio, my actual money, my actual trades, and you can see exactly what I've been trading, what I've been doing over the last few days. It's been quite an eventful few days actually on the stock market. I trade and I use Robinhood. That is my brokerage. I love Robinhood. It's straightforward, it's simple, it does everything I need to do, and this is my portfolio. Let me share it with you right now so you can see exactly what I've got here. So here we are. This is my portfolio. Now that's my actual money. This is real. We are 46,642, 643. Nice. Always good when it goes up. Today, that's the live. Obviously, we're closed now. The market has closed. I was down a little bit. As you can see, I'm now up again a couple of percent. This portfolio is only actually nearly 4 months old now. 4 months old. Started all the initial investment of 5,000, and then I took out and kept reinvesting, and this is where we are today. So today we're talking about Bitcoin, the upcoming IPO, Carnival Cruise Lines as well. Also, briefly, a bit of Harpoon Therapeutics as well. Just a little bit there. So, of course, it was the B word a few days ago. It was quite uneventful, to be perfectly honest. It wasn't as exciting as I thought it was going to be. I thought Elon Musk would say he would support Bitcoin, which he kind of did. He said he would back it when it goes green. Well, I've done my figures, and to be perfectly honest, it seems to me that Bitcoin is already a clean business when you consider other businesses. Nothing is perfect. Of course, we want it to be better, and of course, it could be better. It could go completely green. We could power all the bit mining factories with solar, wind, hydropower, what have you. But I think it's going to be really, really good in the future. So I've got a large stake in Bitcoin. I'll show you now my Bitcoin position. So let me go over to it now. And let's go back on the week. As you can see, it really dropped off, and I didn't sell anything at all. I hold all my Bitcoin. Was a little bit concerned when it was going down. In fact, I saw it as an opportunity. When I first started investing in Bitcoin, I was nervous. I'm not nervous anymore. I was nervous at the beginning. I started by putting $5 on Bitcoin, and when it went down, it upset me. But then I got used to it, and that's how the market works. And now I've managed to grow my Bitcoin. You can see I've got an equity of 6,703 now. But when the B word happened, that was around this time here. What was it? The 21st, yesterday. And it went up a little bit and then back down again. It didn't make a great deal of difference, to be perfectly honest. I was hoping for more, but the fact we've seen it rally back is great. This was a great dip. I saw this as an opportunity to buy in, which is exactly what I did do, to reduce my dollar averaging went down. So now my average is 33,599. It was around 34. So I reduced it a little bit. I managed to buy a couple of thousand when it got down to 29.4 around here. So I see the dips as an opportunity. So I'm in this for the long term. I think Bitcoin is really taking off now. There's lots of ATMs, Bitcoins coming in, countries adopting it, banks adopting it. It's a really secure platform. I feel of all the coins, of all the currencies, Bitcoin is the one that you want to invest in my opinion. Remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just my real experiences. You see me trade live here, and you see my my actual shares and currency go up and down in real time. So I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, very excited about it, and really feel that we're on the next stage now. We're about to see it go up. But if it goes down to 20, I will certainly buy more. If it goes to 50, I will sell probably $1,000 worth to reinvest in other things that I want to invest in. So that's how I'm playing it. So it's not all or nothing. Some people say, you sell or buy or sell. Well, you can sell a bit of something. So you could say, okay, I just want to sell a share or sell $1,000 or whatever. So that's what I'll probably do. Anyway, let's move on now to our next subject. Carnival Cruise Lines and the IPO of Robinhood, and also very quickly Harpoon Therapeutics. Carnival Cruise Lines I see as a huge opportunity right now. We had a big dip yesterday, a couple of days ago in fact, because of the scare with the Delta variant, but that soon passed by, and we've seen a real uptake again. As you can see, this week's been great. This week I'm up to 2.29%. So yesterday I bought the dip. As you can see, I've now got quite a large. For me, my portfolio is 18.8%. I didn't want Carnival to be that big, but sometimes the market tells you what to do. It dropped by like 25%, and that was an opportunity for me, because I now see it. If you look at the 5-year chart, March 2020, when it all dropped down, I'm very close to that pre-pandemic, time. And in fact, a lot of people, they'll say, "Oh, I wish I'd bought in the dip. I wish I'd bought in the dip." Well, those very same people get those opportunities. We all get opportunities from time to time to go back in time and do things that we want to do. But are you brave enough to do it? Well, you've got to be brave to do it. So when that dipped like that, I saw, right, great, it's an opportunity. I wasn't investing in March. Wish I had been. I would have made a lot of profit. But it's an opportunity to reinvest, and that's exactly what I did. I saw Carnival today have refinanced, and they've made sure that they're going to save some $100 million a year on interest, which is good, because obviously they've got a lot of debt. But they've got a lot of business too, and when these ships start sailing again, they're very popular. I've worked on Carnival. I know they're gonna do well, and they're going to start earning money. So I see there's a great opportunity. So I did that. I invested in the dip, and we've now seen some real growth over the last few days. As you can see, down 19% on the month, but up this week by 2.29%. So that's great. Right, moving on now to Harpoon Therapeutics. Harpoon Therapeutics is a clinical stage immunotherapy company. I've looked at they've got a lot of debt. Like a lot of companies in this position, when they start out, they're all about, it's a science, a breakthrough therapeutics. So they have to, discover the stuff and work it all out. So there's a period of time when they lose money. That's understandable, right, in this market. But they've got money in the bank, cash on hand till 2023. So 2 years ahead, they've got money in the bank to develop and do their science for their clinical stage immunotherapy. So this has dropped a lot. I mean, today it went down 11%, 11.5%, and I saw that as another opportunity, because it's essentially a good company. What it's doing is good. There is a need for it. There's a market for it. They've got cash on hand. They've got some big institutions who are backing them. So I feel there's a real opportunity there. And if you look at their graph here, their chart, it's always, if you can look at these and see what the percentage of these dips and peaks and dips here, and you can see that it's quite regular. So to catch it down here, which is nearly the lowest it's been. If you look over 5 years, we're nearly at the lowest it's been. It's not far off the lows. I know I'm just simplifying this. I could zoom in and do all sorts, but I'm just showing you basically on a quick video here today. I see this as a great opportunity. They've got lots of stuff in the pipeline. They've got lots of experimental work they're doing. It's not like they're just not doing anything. They are. So I'm quite happy to have that $1,100, which is basically 99 shares in that. If that drops tomorrow to 10, 9, I'll buy some more. I probably would sell this one quite quickly. It's not something I want to do, really. I want to put my money into Bitcoin, Tesla, Carnival, Apple, Microsoft. I'm using this as a way to earn money. So come back in a few days' time, and normally these peaks and troughs here are over a month periods. So give it a month, we could be back up here again. Because if you look at it, it tends to move up over the time. Sell here, I could then triple my money and then invest that. So getting on then to Robinhood, of course. Robinhood IPO is just a few days away. I want to get into that. Now I know all about the fines. I know all about the business model. It could change. There's been a downturn. But I am excited about getting in on it. The only concern is if you're lucky enough to get in on the IPO with Robinhood, you're encouraged or discouraged from selling, because if you can flip, which means selling straight away, same day, but you'll then be prevented from entering into other IPOs. So that's actually a good thing as long as people abide by that, because what that could do, because this could be a really big meme stock. This could be a really, they've got 18 million customers all buying into it. It could be explosive. And hopefully, if people have read the information and don't sell straight away and hold on to it for a month, this could grow nicely. So I'm quite excited about it. What I'm probably going to do is put 50% into the IPO and then 50% on the morning. Normally about 2 hours after the market opens, the IPO goes to the general public. That's what I've noticed with all the IPOs. And sometimes it's up, sometimes it generally is up. But there was one last week. It was F45. That one dropped. I'm glad I didn't buy into that one. I didn't like it. It didn't sound right to me, so I didn't buy into that one. But Robinhood, I think, could be good. But I will probably split it 50%. Let's say, for example, I put $1,000 on it. I'll have $1,000 in the morning. So if it does drop, I can then buy a cheaper price and then lower my dollar average. If it goes up, I miss $1 or $2. That's fine. It doesn't mean it's not gonna. Wouldn't change my principle if it's up $1. I mean, you're investing long term for bigger profits than $1 a share, so that wouldn't concern me. So there we go. That's my feelings on the Robinhood IPO today. Bitcoin is great. Up 1% 44, 1.44% this week, and today it's up 0.43. Live right now, down 0.5%. That's normal. Remember, with Bitcoin, it's volatile. It's up and down, like the stock market, but it trades 24/7, so you get a lot more of it. There's no sleeping for Bitcoin. It's always going. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that little bit there. My name is Martyn Lucas, and this is my live trading. You'll see me trade sometimes here live. I'll buy and sell live during the show. And please do consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell if you wouldn't mind. I'd appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. And when you like the video as well, it's so important. All right, there we go. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that. And I look forward to seeing you all back next time when we do some more live trades. If you've got any questions at all, please go below and leave me some comments. Ask me what I'm investing in, and I'll happily share with you what I'm investing in. Or any questions, please do ask me, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, there we go. Just leaves me to say, God bless America, God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you all next time. Bye-bye for now.